Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel. In this video we're gonna see about the how to make charging effects on your mobile phone. Okay, we can see about this. For that, first you need one app. The application name is Charging Animation. This application is not available in Play Store. I give link on description. Please click it and download it. Okay, we can see about this. This is the app. This app name called Charging Animation. We can see this app first. We can open this app. In this app you have to allow all permissions. Now I already allowed. So first we can see how to on this. First take your charger, don't charge, and um, you have to in this one off button is there. We have to on that. Now it's on. Now we have to select our design, click on that one. Now you click on first option, charging animation AC charger. You click that and your animations will be coming. For that you need your mobile data. Now another time I'm clicking that. Now many effects is coming. Now we can keep anything. Now I'm selecting this one. Now it's downloaded 100%. You wait sometimes. Now see the down. Now I'm charging. Now see in down on fan like button is coming. Down, see down, see here down. And we can choose many like fidget spinner is spinning. See, fidget spinner is spinning. And next a dog is running. See, it's very nice and perfect. And next many wake ups they had given. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe our channel for more information. Thank you.